Hello everyone, myself Nawaz. I am from CATB. Today I am here to give the presentation about the Taylor series and applications. I am from SRT College, BTech first year and the first SEM, and this project belongs to my max, which is known as linear algebra and calculus. Here we are discussing about the Taylor series and its the applications. So first of all, we will discuss about the Taylor series. Introductions of the Taylor series. The Taylor series expresses a function as infinite sum of the terms. Here we can see that the Taylor series are expressing the functions of the sum of the terms or the infinite numbers. Is an approximate complex function using simple polynomials. In the Taylor series, it uses the complex functions and the simple polynomials equations. Helpful in the Taylor series is not only based on the mathematics, the Taylor series is also useful in the maths, physics, engineering, and also though in the computing. It is known as a coding level. What is Taylor series? Simple functions evaluations. The evaluation of the simple functions is also known as a Taylor series, helps approximate values when direct calculation is difficult. When we are solving any problem, we face the problems of getting the exact value. So with the help of the Taylor series, we are able to know the accurate value of the given problem, and we can have the approx value to the real value using algorithm designs and the numerical methods. It's also using the algorithms of the computer, which is helps to solve the problem which is given by the users, and so on. The Taylor series is useful for solving the difficult problem which are given by the users to the computers. Applications of the Taylor series in the physics. Small angle approximation. To find the small angle approximations in the physics, we are using the Taylor series, where sin x is directly proportional to the x and cos x is directly proportional to 1 minus x squared by 2. These are the two signs which are using in the physics by the help of the Taylor series, used in oscillations, wave motions, and quantum mechanics. These are the four major chapters which are studied in the physics, and the Taylor series is very useful in this type of main chapters, which is helps by using the many solve the many real life problems and the real life projects. Approximation potential energy near to equilibrium points. Equilibrium. The body as having the same state is known as the equilibrium, and approximating the potential energy of the equilibrium is applicable of the Taylor series in the physics subjects. And moving to the next part, the main and the core is about engineering. The use of Taylor series in the form of engineering. Control system, linearization of the non-linear functions. It is help the linearization and use in the non-linear functions. Sign processing, approximate of filters, and mechanical analysis stress strain approximately. Here we can see there is another topic of the physics which is known as stress and strain. It's also the chapter of the engineering, so we can declare that the Taylor series is also useful in the chapters like stress and strain, which are mainly used in the real life projects, and it's doing the many main projects. And also signal approximate of the filters, the signals which also belongs to the help of the physics. Applications in the computer science. Here we can see that Taylor series is not applicable for the real life problem, is also applicable in the software used in numerical algorithms, which is helps for solving the given problems by the user to the system, which helps the to solve the problem which is given by the user using numerical algorithms. The solving the numerical algorithms is main process of the coding, and the Taylor series perform the very great role in this type of series. Machine learning optimization used for last fast computing of exponential log trigonometric values. As we can see that the Taylor series is mainly focused on giving the approx value to the real value. So we can mostly observe that there are having the approx value for exponential log trigonometric values. So there is a main use of the Taylor series in that. Application in the mathematics. So the Taylor series which is belong from the subject of the mathematics, here we can see the use of the Taylor series in the mathematics, solving differential equations. converging analysis, approximation of a definite integrals. Though we can see here the approximate term, the Taylor series mainly based on giving the approximate value to the real value, which is very helpful to find the real value. Graphical interpretation. High order polynomials give better curve fit, show how approximation improve as term are added. They give the more approximate value on adding the more improvement as we are adding, and they are ready to give the approximate value which is very closest to the real value. Advantages of using the Taylor series: easy to computate, very accurate with enough terms. They are having the ability to give the accurate value which is closer to the real value in the enough term. Work for many real world approximations. Which is mainly used for the real world projects and mainly the big projects as the real world. And the last, we have the conclusion. Taylor series is a powerful mathematical tool. It is used in many ways and many subjects for the many projects widely used across science and engineering. The main role of the Taylor series is to perform in the subjects of Taylor of physics and the engineering, helps simplify and approximate complex functions effectively. Yes, they help the student to solve the great and difficult problem approximately and complex functions. Thank you very much.